Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 1A, project-based drawing. This video illustrates A. Create working and shortcuts folder. B. Atkins C3D template drawing. C. Create project-based drawing. D. Associate drawing to project folder. E. Keep project-based drawing up to date. The first step in a new Civil 3D project is the creation of the working folder, also referred to as a client folder, and the creation of the shortcuts folder, also referred to as a project folder. It is good practice to place all drawings related to Civil 3D projects in a designated folder located in the root directory on the company server drive. Assuming the server drive is in, the designated folder would be similar to Civil 3D projects. These are the client folders that are currently in the Civil 3D projects folders. There are two methods to set the working folder. One is to use the Manage tab in the ribbon, Set Working Folder, Set Shortcuts Folder, and the other is to use the Data Shortcuts section in Prospector. For this video, Prospector will be used. Right-click the Data Shortcuts, Set Working Folder, browse to the location of the Civil 3D projects, this PC, in Drive, Civil 3D projects. Make a new folder, enter John Doe for the client name. OK. Set the shortcuts folder, Prospector, right-click Data Shortcuts, New Data Shortcut Folder. The working folder is John Doe. The name of the new project, ABC Road Improvement. The description is generally left blank. Use project template, yes. Select the Atkins project template. OK. Open the Windows Explorer. In Drive, Civil 3D projects. John Doe is now added as a client, and under John Doe is the Road Improvement project. In the Road Improvement folder, these are the various folders that were created. The Atkins C3D template drawing contains a majority of the settings and layers normally used in the preparation of civil construction drawings. The template drawing is included with the Atkins tutorial drawings and should be installed on the computer in the Autodesk template folder along with the other Civil 3D templates. Open the template drawing, type Open, O-P-E-N, enter. Select the drawing template .dwt. The file tree for the location of the template drawings is shown. Pick the Atkins C3D template drawing, open, type LA, enter. To open the layer manager, the layer names contained in the Atkins C3D template drawing are shown. Close Layer Manager, Tool Space, Settings tab. A preview of several feature and label style settings contained in the Atkins C3D template drawing are shown. Alignment, Profile, Profile View, Pipe Network, Pipe, Structure, Pressure Network, Pressure Pipe, fitting, and appurtenances. Set Atkins C3D template as a default for all new drawings. Type OP and enter for options command. Files tab. Default template name for Q new. Double click the current and select Atkins C3D template.dwt. Open. Apply. OK. The Atkins C3D template will be used for all new drawings that are created. The current drawing is blank and was created with the Atkins C3D template drawing. Save as project base drawing. Type in SA and select Save As. Save in. Browse to the server drive. Civil 3D Projects. John Doe. ABC Road Improvement. Drawings Design. File name. Type in project base. Save. Associate drawing to working and shortcuts folder. Prospector. Right click the data shortcuts. Associate project to current drawing. Check that the working folder, which is John Doe, and the project folder, which is ABC Road Improvement, are correct. OK. Save the drawing. SAVE. Enter. The name is project base drawing. Save. Yes to replace the existing. The project base drawing is XREF into the base drawing for each improvement category: existing, road, sewer, storm, and water. All Civil 3D objects are created on their respective improvement category drawing. Upon the completion of the construction drawing for a specific improvement category, the various drawing objects associated with that category will be XREF'd and DREF'd into the project base drawing. Using this procedure, the project base drawing will always be up to date. Each improvement category drawing will also be up to date with respect to the drawing objects shown therein that have been created on other improvement category drawings. The procedures for updating the project base drawing are contained in the Drawing Reference division of the instruction manual and videos. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.